I don't want to be Piccolo.
Welcome to another Odinani series. It is Zetobo Sigwe, Ezi Kolomo. Today I want to discuss 7 steps to successfully join Odinani. If you decide to join Odinani Igbo, some Igbos presently are trying to journey back to the religions of their ancestors. So this video is 7 steps to follow if you want to return back to Odinani. Step 1, make a firm decision and stick to it. If you want to join Odinani, you have to decide, do I want to join Odinani? Once you make that decision, then do not waver. Some people want to be in Odinani and still want to be in church. Ijoka agommo. No. There will now be one foot in Odinani, 1 foot in church. You are like a confused person. You are like an unwavering mind. You are like a compromiser. You need to know what you want. Christianity and Odinani are 2 different religions. I keep saying it. Do not try to mix Panadol with Igbo. If you want to take English medicine, take English medicine. And when you want to take Igbo medicine, face Igbo medicine. So, one complication, you know where your problem is coming from. In the same way in this religion, don't try to mix Christianity with Odinani. Or don't try to mix Odinani with Christianity. Many people have seen the truth in Odinani. And they are also thinking that they are seeing truth in Christianity. Yes, there are truth in Christianity, there are truth in Odinani. Don't try to hold the 2. Stick to one. If you want to be a Christian, please faithfully be a Christian. If you want to be an Odinani, faithfully be an Odinani person. So if you want to journey back to Odinani, please, you have to make a firm decision. That's the first step. Make a firm decision. And if you finally decide that is Odinani, stick to it. No turning back. Number 2, do not be in a hurry for a quick turnaround. Some people, when they come into Odinani, they come with this misconception that once they join Odinani, everything will turn around for their good. That kind of misconception that some people also have when they join Christianity, that if you accept Jesus as your personal Lord and Savior, everything will start working for your good. There is no truth in all these statements. There is no religion that you are going to join today and there will be a quick turnaround. Unless that religion is not towing the path of nature. Nature is about process. Any religion that you are joining that is part of nature must follow the natural rule of process, one gradually. There is no quick turnaround for you if you come into Odinani. It doesn't mean that if you come into Odinani today, if you have been experiencing business failure before, there will be massive breakthrough. Trust me, kill such thoughts. Kill such thoughts. It's a gradual process. Will there be a positive turnaround? Yes, but it's going to be a gradual process. Number 3, look for information or materials that will give you adequate information about Igbo culture. You need to be loaded with information. This will help you once the mockery and questions start flying in. I wouldn't want you to, as you come into Odinani, you just be floating. You don't even know what you've joined. You need to start seeking information from those who know, from elders who have been practicing Odinani, from those who have been practicing Odinani and have written books. Look for research works. Try to understand the religion. Try to understand the culture. Try to understand this spiritual part known as Odinani. Adequate information is necessary. Not and you now look confused. So adequate information is necessary. Once you decide to join Odinani, please look for information, look for materials, search out relevant information for you to understand what this Odinani is all about. Number 4, learn your family history. Learn your family history. Odinani is ancestral religion. There is no uniform rule or Bible from the Odinani. Learn about your own ancestry, their own do's and don'ts. At times, someone might be saying something about Actually, what that person is telling you, how their own side. Don't you say because the person is Igbo that this is general. No, there is no uniform rule. You must learn your ancestral history. You must find out your own family, their approach to this way of life known as Odinana. You know. Meanwhile, you know your own communal deities. You know your ancestors by their names, just like how you know some ancestors, some Christian ancestors. You have to know your own ancestors by name. You have to be calling them by name. So learning family history is important. You must learn your family history. You must learn your clan history, the history of your clan. Number 5, start praying to your Shi and ancestors daily. Pray to your Shi and your ancestors daily. Ask them to guide you through this new path, to show you light. Daily, not once in a while, daily. The same way you pray daily as a Christian, you have to pray daily to your ancestors and to your Shi. Ask them to direct you in this new path for you to know the truth. It's the truth that sets free. So let them teach you, show you the truth in this new system, in this their system, known as what? Odinani. Number 6, start getting acquainted with Igbo prayer items like Nzu, Oji, Edo, hot drinks, and at times slaughtering of chicken and goats. Once you get acquainted, you gently start integrating them as your spirit leads. Please do not rush this phase. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a hurry to Nzu, don't be in a hurry to pray with Oji and all those things. Don't rush it. And also do not jump it. Don't rush it, don't jump it. This phase is important. You need to understand it. These are Igbo prayer items, they are sacred items. No, these things are inevitable. I've seen some people say that Nachiha, I like a hobala. Now they buluchi hoko. Yeah, it might be true. Their ancestors, that you are not going to kill chicken or goat for them. It's not possible. Because this is the food they feasted on when they were alive. It's not that if you are feeding them, I've said it repeatedly, that killing goat and chicken does not mean you are feeding them. Actually, you are not feeding them. What is happening is that you are showing your commitment, because blood is life. So you are using that blood to renew your commitment, the bond that you share with them. So it's symbolic. It's symbolic. It's inevitable. But like I said, do not rush it. And do not jump it. Number 7, stop worrying if you are getting it right or wrong. Most people, when they come into Odinana, Hamefe, Abagalewa, Hasina Fanka, Haba, Jenanka, Jiranka, Kamana, Jahacholo Chihana, Chihana Batalia, Kaman and Kenya Polon Hana. Stop worrying. Stop worrying. Relax. If you are not getting it right, you will know. You are a spirit. The people you are praying to as well are spirits. If you are not getting it right, and they will tell you along the line. Sooner than later, they will let you know that this particular way that you are doing this thing, stop worrying. Stop thinking, are they accepting this thing? Are they hearing my prayers? Are they doing this? Stop worrying yourself. Stop bothering yourself. It's just thought. All you need is with consistency. With consistency, the ones you are not getting, they will let you know. And the ones you are getting, you continue with them. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.